Subscribe my channel Learning with me and press the bell icon to get notifications. Today we will discuss about how to find out the cube roots of a perfect cube number. Cube root of a perfect cube number. So cube root of a perfect cube number. So first of all we should know, we have to remember the cubes of the numbers, some numbers. Suppose the number is its cube, unit digit, and cube root, unit digit. We have to remember this step of some numbers. Suppose the number is 1, its cube is 1, also the cube root unit digit is 1. But if the number is 2, its cube is 8 and its cube root unit digit is 2. Similarly 3, it is 7 and its cube root unit digit is 3. 4, it is 4 and unit digit is 4. If it is 5, it is 5, it is also 5. But if it is 6, cube root, its cube is also 6, because 6 cube equal to 30, square equal to 36 and its cube equal to 216 and its cube root is 6. Similarly, if we take other examples also, if it is 7, but if it is 7, then its cube will be, unit digit will be 3, because 7 into 7 49 into 7 is 343, but its cube root unit digit is 7. But if it is 8 and its cube will be, unit digit will be 2, because 8 cube equal to 512 and its cube root will be 8. Similarly, if 9, if it will be 9, also it will be 9. We have to remember these things. So we have to find out the cube root of a perfect cube number. Perfect cube number. Suppose one number, take an example, 1728. We don't know what is its cube root, but it is a perfect cube number. So how can you find out its cube root? First, look at the unit digit. What is the unit digit? Is 8. If it is a cube number, if the unit digit is 8 and its cube root unit digit will be 2. So unit digit of its cube root equal to 2. So as 8 in the last unit digit of the cube and its cube root unit digit is 2. Then striking 3 numbers from the right, then the number is 1728. Striking 3 numbers from the right, 8 to 7, 3 digits, striking 3 digits from the right, the number is only 1. 1 is just 1 cube is 1. So, but if we take 2, 2 cube is 8, 2 cube is 8, so 1 less than 2 cube, but it is only equal to 1 cube. So that the tens digit equal to 1. So the cube root of 1728 equal to 12. Similarly, take another example. Suppose take another example, 15625. It is a perfect Q number also. So, but its unit digit is 5. If a number, perfect Q number, unit digit is 5, unit digit is 5, Q of a perfect unit digit is 5, its Q root unit digit also 5. So that the first unit digit equal to 5 here, then striking 3 numbers, then striking 3 digit from right. Striking 3 digit from right. So 15625, then striking 3 digit equal to only 15. But 15 is it a perfect Q number? It is not a perfect Q number, and its nearest Q number is 15 is, we know 1Q equal to 1, but 2Q equal to 8, 3Q equal to 27. But so that here 15 is greater than 2Q and less than 3Q. 15 greater than 2Q and less than 3Q. So the tens digit equal to 2. So the cube root of 15625 equal to cube root equal to 2 and its unit digit 5. So the number is 5. If we test 25Q equal to 15625 and its cube root is 25. Similarly, if we take another example, suppose 4096, its unit digit is 4, so its cube unit digit will also be the 4. So it is, unit digit is 6, so its cube root unit digit is 6. So unit digit equal to 6, and striking 3 numbers, 4096, striking 3 numbers from right, the number is only 4, but 4 is greater than 1Q because 1Q is equal to 1 and less than 2Q, but 2Q is 8. So the tens digit equal to 2. So the number or the cube root of 4096 equal to, so tens is 2 and unit digit is, tens digit is equal to 1 because 4 is greater than 1Q, less than 2Q. So the tens digit is 1 and its cube root tens digit 1 and the unit digit is 6. So 4096 cube root is 16.